Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jeff from Rustbucky Valley Garage. We have a project that's going to be brought into our shop here, and we're going to be doing a multiple part video on it, on how we assess this and repair it. This is a 2019 Honda Civic, and it's got a little bit of body damage. So this will just buff out, no problem. Yeah, not much work there. But anyway, looks like it was hit right in this manner here. So taking shoved all this forward. Gap on the rear door is messed up. So we're going to have to take and pull the quarter panel back just a little bit, take and straighten that out just a little bit, do some work on the door. Since this is so mauled here, it looks like it is put through a metal shredder. So we're going to have to take and pull this quarter panel off here, and there's probably a little bit of work on the wheelhouse to do. If not, we'll replace it. But come along for the ride. Take and see how we take and assess this, and how we take and repair this. And this is a vehicle that was totaled, and so the assessed value of this is just over $21,000. So for the insurance company to total it, it means that the assessed value has to be 51% of the damage. And obviously the damage was over $11,500, $12,000, something like that. Anyway, this is the kind of stuff we do, and we can fix this. So just make this another wonderful car for somebody to be driving around, be good as new. Okay, so stay tuned for the continuing parts, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for stopping by.